So guys, welcome back to the channel CAD Red, and in today's video we're going to learn about how to convert AutoCAD file to PDF with scale. So let's say you have this AutoCAD file and you have to send it to your client, or you have to send it for MEP and you have to send it in scale. So let's say and so all you have to do is, as I have told in my earlier videos, if you don't know the command, then the command is control plus p. That is the shortcut. The command's name is plot, and in that you have to select your previous plot. In this you have to select high quality print. In here you have to say select your page size. I will always recommend, if you are printing it, then go with the ISO full bleed option and the size whatever you want. So I am right now going with a3, and here you have to select a window, and then select the part of your drawing that you want to actually make a PDF, that is with scale. So then you have to do is enter the plot, and you have to turn off the command of which is fit to paper. And here you can set your scale, that what custom scale that you want. There are also preset scales which are right over here, which is 1 is to 2, 1 is to 4, 1 is to 5, 1 is to 8, 10, 16, 30, 100, and so on. So you can select your scale from here also, and you can set your scale on your custom base also. So let's say I'll just put 2, and all you have to do is then select the ETB, that is that if you want it, then select plot transparency and just press OK, and then select the destination. Right now I'll write it as plan 2, and you just have to do a save. In just a second your PDF file with scale will be ready. So as you can see it over here, right now this PDF file is in scale. So this is how you can make PDF in AutoCAD with scale. So that was it for the video. If you like the video and found it useful, then share it with someone who may need it, and please subscribe to my channel for huge support. Thank you.